Hey guys, it's Tracy and Aaron here, and today we are in John's Pass in St. Petersburg. And today we are going to be going on a dolphin tour on a boat going out into the ocean. We are excited. Cannot wait. So we just have a few more minutes, I think, and we'll be getting on board. And they say we're going to see obviously some dolphins, but we should be seeing maybe an occasional manatee, hopefully.
Hopefully we'll see a manatee.
Hopefully, and birds.
That's an eco tour.
Yeah, eco tour. So here we go. All right, so we're on the boat and we are moving. So hopefully we'll get to see some dolphins here shortly.
Yep, hopefully.
He hasn't told us where we're going to exactly yet, but I'm sure that's coming out here shortly. They do a lot of wave runner rentals here at John's Pass.
Once we've spotted some of the dolphins, now move the boat over closer to them so you can get some photographs.
This is a beautiful day.
The body of water we just left back behind us that is called John's Pass. I'm sure most everybody knows.
These are some truly awesome houses. They're probably very expensive too.
Yeah, there's another one further out. Just about dead ahead.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, right there. Oh, there he is.
Oh, it's right there.
Which way was he going? Which way is he going now? Back the other way.
There he is.
It's hard to catch a picture.
There it is.
Oh, look, he's right there. He's right there.
He's right at the top.
That's the baby.
Literally.
First hatch, they're going to start out all white. Once they reach their juvenile stage, they'll be completely brown with the exception of a white belly. And then the mature pelicans, being at least 3 years old, those are the ones that have the white heads. This time of year, they're going to have that little bit of yellow on the very top of their head, and that's part of their mating plumage. You're going to have at least a handful of egrets and hawks.
Look at them all sitting there.
Pelicans down.
Yeah, look at them all in there.
We have over 175 resident dolphins. And our resident dolphins have been back out that way. This one right underneath us, so that's not right there. They don't leave anywhere. There's 3 of them.
Oh.
That's an exhale when they do that big puff. It's like if you were snorkeling, you have to do a big puff out before you can breathe in.
Nobody guess what this guy does in the corner here.
Nothing.
Yeah. Used car sales. He has a few lots of used car sales. But imagine if you buy a Honda from him, and that'd be
All right, so we were back home from John's Pass, and what a great day it was. So much fun on the Dolphin tour. Can't wait to go back. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, comments, hey, please leave them below. Otherwise, thank you for watching.